Hello everybody, back at Davis today, Lake Davis. Ella's out here. She says she got a bite, so let's see. I'm sitting in a nice warm car. See what happens. Try to set it, and the little turd's got one already. What a nice day of fishing. Come on, sit down right here. Make me mess all up. Sorry it's so shaky. Looks like it just got off, maybe. No, he's taking her to the left. It looks like it's taking drag. Nice. Is he big?
Got him right here. Oh my God.
Pull him on shore.
Dad, I have him.
Holy crap, dude. So here's my dog.
That fish is literally as big as my
And here's
dog.
the fish. Nice.
Told you I had a bite.
So here's Ella's fish. I don't know if it's gonna make it. Man, she got a big one. Oh my God, come on. Hold on, there he goes. Here he goes, guys. That's the best part of fishing right there. Watch that big old beast go back to get bigger. I don't even know if I could see it, but hey, nice job, Ella.